Welcome to VNT. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. Over the past few weeks, rumors have been swirling online that Hyundai might be preparing to pull out of the US market. These whispers have spread rapidly across social media platforms, automotive forums, and even mainstream news outlets, fueling a wave of speculation and uncertainty. This has sparked confusion and concern among not just drivers and car owners, but also industry insiders, dealership employees, and anyone with a stake in the automotive world. People are left wondering what the future holds for one of the most popular car brands in America. For millions of Americans, Hyundai represents more than just a car. It's a symbol of value, reliability, and innovation. The mere idea of Hyundai exiting the US market raises big questions about job security, warranty support, and the long-term future of the brand for loyal customers and employees alike. These rumors aren't just idle talk. They have real-world implications, potentially affecting thousands of workers, their families, and entire communities that depend on Hyundai's presence for economic stability and growth. But is there any truth to these claims, or are they simply the result of online speculation and misinformation? It's important to separate fact from fiction before jumping to conclusions. Unlike some brands that have left the US due to declining sales or financial troubles, Hyundai's story here has been one of consistent growth, innovation, and increasing market share. So why are these rumors gaining traction now? To get to the bottom of this, we need to look past the sensational headlines and dig into Hyundai's actual position in the US market, examining both the numbers and the broader context. Let's break down the facts, explore the company's recent investments in American manufacturing, and consider the challenges it faces in a rapidly changing industry. Only by understanding these factors can we truly assess the likelihood and the real consequences of a potential Hyundai exit from the US market, and what it would mean for everyone involved. Despite persistent rumors swirling online and in the media, Hyundai is not just surviving in America, it's thriving like never before. The company is posting record-breaking sales in 2025, shattering expectations and setting new benchmarks for the brand in the US market. In just the first half of the year, Hyundai sold over 439,000 vehicles, a staggering 10% increase compared to 2024. This surge is a testament to the brand's growing popularity and strong demand across the country. Customer satisfaction is also climbing, with Hyundai's ratings improving in the American Customer Satisfaction Index. More buyers are not only choosing Hyundai, but they're also happier with their purchase than ever before. This isn't just about one standout model. Hyundai's entire lineup is performing exceptionally well. The Tucson, Elantra, Santa Fe, and Palisade are all seeing double-digit growth, showing that Hyundai's appeal stretches across SUVs, sedans, and family vehicles alike. The Tucson alone jumped an impressive 23% in sales, making it one of the fastest-growing models in its segment and a top choice for American drivers. Meanwhile, the Palisade remains a family favorite, praised for its comfort, safety features, and value, cementing Hyundai's reputation for building vehicles that fit American lifestyles. These numbers and trends make it clear Hyundai is expanding its presence, investing in new dealerships, and reaching more customers than ever before, not retreating from the market. Brands don't leave markets when they're breaking records and winning over customers at this scale. Hyundai's momentum is undeniable. With broad appeal, strong sales, and a growing fan base, the exit rumors look even more far-fetched. Hyundai is here to stay. The data is clear. Hyundai is now a major player in the US auto industry, competing head-to-head with the biggest names in the business. With innovation, reliability, and customer trust on its side, Hyundai's future in America looks brighter than ever. Hyundai isn't just selling cars, it's deeply woven into the American economy. The company supports around 190,000 US jobs, from factory workers to dealership staff. Its annual economic impact, over $20 billion. Hyundai's Montgomery, Alabama plant and the massive new Meta plant in Georgia are proof of long-term commitment, not a looming exit. These investments create thousands of jobs and boost local economies. Hyundai's 850 dealerships are locally owned businesses, many recently upgraded, showing confidence in the brand's future. 5 Hyundai models made the 2025 Cars.com American-Made Index, highlighting the company's focus on US manufacturing. Building cars in America for Americans is at the heart of Hyundai's strategy. The idea of a sudden withdrawal just doesn't add up. Hyundai's roots here are too deep and too valuable to abandon. Hyundai has undergone a remarkable transformation, evolving from a brand once known for affordability to a global leader in quality and safety. Today, Hyundai stands at the forefront of the automotive industry, setting new benchmarks for reliability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. In 2025, Hyundai Motor Group topped the J.D. Power Initial Quality Study for the second consecutive year, a testament to its relentless pursuit of excellence and its commitment to delivering vehicles that exceed customer expectations. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety recognized Hyundai with more top safety pick honors than any other brand, highlighting the company's dedication to protecting drivers and passengers with advanced safety technologies and rigorous engineering standards. These prestigious accolades aren't just trophies to display, they represent the trust that families place in Hyundai every day, knowing their loved ones are protected on every journey. Hyundai's industry-leading warranty and unwavering focus on reliability have fostered deep customer loyalty, making owners feel confident in their investment for years to come. No longer just a budget-friendly choice, Hyundai has become a smart, dependable option packed with cutting-edge features, innovative technology, and eco-friendly models that appeal to a new generation of drivers. Behind every Hyundai vehicle is a team of dedicated engineers and designers who are passionate about quality, constantly pushing boundaries to ensure each car meets the highest standards. Years of investment in quality, technology, and American manufacturing have paid off, making the idea of a U.S. exit seem not just unlikely, but almost unthinkable. Hyundai's hard-earned reputation is now one of its greatest assets, a symbol of progress and trust that the company is determined to protect and build upon. The brand's achievements in quality and safety are not just milestones, they are the foundation of Hyundai's American story, shaping its legacy for generations. To leave now would mean abandoning decades of progress, innovation, and the trust of millions of American families, everything Hyundai has worked so hard to achieve. Hyundai is leading the charge into the electric future. Electrified vehicle sales jumped 20% in early 2025, with hybrids and EVs like the Santa Fe HEV and Ioniq 5 driving growth. June 2025 was a record month for Hyundai's electrified lineup. The Ioniq 5's sales are up, and the new Ioniq 9 SUV expands Hyundai's EV portfolio. The Georgia Meta plant is being built as an EV production hub, showing Hyundai's commitment to the U.S. electric market. As America tightens emission standards, Hyundai is investing heavily in green tech. To leave now would mean giving up a leadership role in the most important segment of the future. Hyundai's electrification strategy is all about staying ahead in the U.S. market. The rumors of an exit just don't fit with this forward-thinking approach. Hyundai's new Georgia Meta plant has faced environmental scrutiny, especially over water use from the Floridan aquifer. Local concerns were real. Millions rely on this water source. Hyundai responded with studies and a 24-hour drawdown test, showing the aquifer recovers quickly. The closure of a nearby paper mill also boosted water levels, easing some worries. Hyundai and officials set up a $1 million fund to help locals if wells are affected. Most importantly, by 2032, Hyundai will switch to surface water from the Savannah River, thanks to a $500 million infrastructure project. Groundwater will only be used in emergencies. These steps show Hyundai is listening and acting responsibly. The company's long-term plan secures both the plant's future and local water resources. Environmental challenges are being met head-on, not ignored. What if Hyundai really did leave the U.S.? Nearly 190,000 American jobs would vanish, devastating communities tied to Hyundai's factories and dealerships. Owners would face headaches with warranties, repairs, and plummeting resale values. The $20 billion Hyundai pumps into the U.S. economy each year would disappear. Suppliers, local businesses, and governments would all feel the shockwaves. The impact would ripple through the entire auto industry and beyond. But here's the reality. Hyundai's record sales, deep investments, and focus on electrification all point to a long-term commitment. The Georgia water issue is being managed with real solutions. These rumors remind us how vital global companies are to local communities. Hyundai's value to America is immense, and not going anywhere.